What's the meaning of asphyxiation? Asphyxiation. Asphyxiation.
Asphyxiation. Asphyxiation. Asphyxiation refers to the condition in which the body is deprived of oxygen, resulting in suffocation or death. This can be caused by various factors, such as the inhalation of toxic gases, drowning, strangulation, or a blocked airway. The resulting effects of asphyxiation can include loss of consciousness, seizures, brain damage, or even death. Without sufficient oxygen, the body's vital organs cannot function properly, leading to serious and potentially life-threatening consequences within a matter of minutes. Asphyxiation is a serious medical emergency that requires immediate intervention in order to restore oxygen to the body.